Journal entry. In this video, we will discuss how to enter journal entries in Sage 50 accounting software. You can select Banking module from this left side menu. Select General Journal Entry. Select New General Journal Entry. In this screen, you can enter your journal entry. You can select the date. You can enter journal entry number. From accounts, you can select your GL account. You can enter the description. You can enter the debit amount, and you can select credit account. You can enter the credit amount. After that, you can save your journal entry. Next, when you are entering the journal entry, first time we have to enter the journal entry number. After that, it will display the next journal entry number. And we can enter the description. And when we select the second line, it will automatically update the journal entry description. And also, if you have any typo error, system will display in red color. When you are entering journal entries, you can select more than one line. Like this, you can select more than one account, and when you are processing the transaction, that out of balance should be 0. That debit amount and credit amount should be tallied. We'll try to save. So it will pop up a message that journal cannot be posted because it is out of balance. So when you are processing the transaction, out of balance should be 0. So like that, you can process your journal entry. And if you have any jobs or projects, you can select from here. Then that job account also, or particular job, will update. And you can view the list of journal entries. And if you want to delete any journal entry, by clicking this delete button, you can delete the journal entry. Let's save this one. Like that, you can process a journal entry in Sage 50.